If you're wondering how to add custom services to Vendasta, you've come to the right place. I'll walk you through exactly how to integrate custom services into your Vendasta platform so you can optimize your workflow and boost your offerings. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to personalize your Vendasta experience, and I'll even share how you can access this software for free with an exclusive bonus. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do when adding custom services to Vendasta is log in to your Vendasta dashboard. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, I'll explain how to get a free trial with an exclusive offer in just a bit. Once you're logged in, head to the Marketplace section. This is where you can access all of Vendasta's pre-built services. But to add something custom, look for the option that says Create a New Service. You'll find it under the Service Management section. The second thing you'll do is set up your service details. You'll need to define what your custom service is, including the title, description, and the pricing model. You can choose from various pricing options like one-time payments or subscription models, depending on what best fits your service offering. Keep it clear and concise, as this will be visible to your clients. Next, you'll configure the delivery method. Vendasta allows you to set up services that are either delivered automatically through integrations or manually by you or your team. This flexibility ensures that whatever custom service you're offering, it's streamlined and simple for you to manage. After that, you'll integrate any relevant tools or apps. Vendasta has a lot of integrations that can make delivering your custom service a breeze. For example, if you're offering SEO services, you can link Vendasta's tools for reporting and performance tracking directly to the service you're setting up. Just head to the integration settings, pick the tools you want to integrate, and connect them to the service. Now, the next thing is setting up your custom workflows. This is crucial because once your custom service is live, you'll want to ensure that it's delivered smoothly to your clients. You can automate tasks like email notifications, task assignments, or even invoicing within the platform to ensure everything is managed in one place. Custom workflows will help your business scale while saving time. The final step is testing the custom service to ensure everything works smoothly. Once everything is configured, send yourself a test to check how it looks and functions. Make sure that clients will receive everything exactly as intended, no glitches or missing details. And before you finish up, don't forget to review your service offering. Make sure the pricing, delivery method, and everything else looks perfect. Once satisfied, click Save, and you've successfully added a custom service to Vendasta. One last thing before I go, if you're new to Vendasta, remember you can use the software completely for free, and I've got a special deal just for you. Check out the first link in the description to get an exclusive extended free trial. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Now, you're ready to customize your Vendasta services and take full control of your offerings.